Yes, very dark man, very dark man, very dark man. The very dark man is here again. Very dark man was telling us stories, when he visited London. He was he told us how he ordered for hookup girl, who he knocked and who he didn't knock, how many times he knocked. He was giving us all these stories. So he started to say that in fact, he was trying to say that he cannot live in London. That is Ohebiuna London. You understand? He cannot live in abroad, not only London. You understand? So when he was saying all these things, I was just watching and laughing. So he said so many things about people that are supposed to visit him couldn't visit him because they are doing shift, blah blah blah. He also made mention that there is no life there, no life, he can't live there. What did I deduce from all these stories? It's very simple. He cannot live in abroad. That's the truth. You see, in abroad, we understand that the life that Nigerians live at home, you cannot live it outside. It is very clear. It's very, very clear. If you cannot adjust yourself to make a living in another place, that's your problem. I understand where he's coming from. This routine way of when you go to market, at the end of the market, you branch in Buka or one restaurant and eat nkwobi, isiewu. Ije Buka siaregi isiewu, you drink 10 bottles of beer. Every time Nigerians are looking for money to party, to enjoy themselves wherever they are, mostly at home. You understand? Those are the type of life he's talking about. But here we in abroad, we live in abroad. We know what's up in abroad. We know what is playing in abroad. Abroad is not roses. You understand? It's not like it's sugar. You get what I'm saying? But he equally said that what he like here, there is management, things are orderly, electricity, security. He made mention of so many things. Those are the areas that Nigeria can never reach in the next 50 years, if ever. You understand? So I like what he mentioned, all those things he mentioned, and that is what life is all about. The welfare of the people, the safety of the people. Infrastructures are in place, things are working, everything is proper. This is abroad. When you come out in the morning, like I'm going to my work now, you come out in the morning, you see the railway, you can look from here, everywhere is clean. You look from here, everywhere is clean. You look the other way, everywhere is clean. I'm just showing you all these things. You cannot see something like this in Nigeria, never. So if, according to him, he cannot live in abroad, I understood it very, very well. And that is why, that aside, the reason why I'm trying to rephrase on what he said is very simple. You see, when you're a Nigerian and you live in abroad, they say if you go to Rome, you live like Romans. The ladies and the men in abroad, it's not easy for us living in abroad. I have to be honest with you. Coming from another culture to join another culture, we call it acculturation. You get what I'm saying? So if at the end of the day, you notice that most of us cannot even enjoy the life in abroad, and he rightly mentioned it, that there is no life, people here are not living life. We cannot come home and join the stupidity happening home. We cannot come home and join the insecurity. We cannot come home and join all these people that do not have brain. Your leaders, they say they have brain. Most of them are coming here for medical checkup. They are coming here for vacation. Why are they coming here? Because things are well placed, things are well organized. You get what I'm saying? So I understood where very dark man was going. It's very simple. He cannot live here, because before you can come here and live, you must be disciplined. We know that there are ups and downs. Yes, ladies that are doing double shifts, they can't see husband. I agree. Men that are looking for wife, they cannot find wife. Even in hookup, it's difficult to find hookup, unless you want to go by the ones they call red light. Those girls that put themselves in a cage or in a kind of compartment, we call it red light. You go there, you pay them, you service them, or you service yourself and you get out. That's the life you see here. Everything is well organized, everything is available. I understand it, but I want to pinpoint this. The reason why very dark man cannot live in this place and other people other Nigerians cannot live here. There is nothing like those kind of way of living. Corruption, Nigerians only improve themselves in corruption. They only improve in corruption. You see, when they are in abroad, they don't see anywhere to steal from. You get what I'm saying? No avenue to steal. Even though before you can steal, you must be super smart. You get what I'm saying? And before you steal, you must to guide yourself, protect yourself, and block some areas before you can actually steal or rob somebody. You understand? But Nigeria is easy, like all those ones working in office, every time they are sharing corrupt money, stolen money, so they can afford to branch one restaurant and chop nkwobi and isi. We don't do that shit here. And that is why when we make our money, we are very careful. We use our money judiciously. We don't waste money. You can't come here and start to waste money unnecessarily, dashing people money like you are stealing it. We don't do it here. That is why when you came, you saw that people are going about their business, go to work and come back. You see what I'm saying? Yes, he was saying is work home, work home. Well, where do you want to go after work? After work, you come home, relax your body, eat something. And it's not like that the way you are saying. People ball, you understand? People normally, not every time, not like crazily. Weekends, people go out, enjoy themselves in bars and restaurants. Some that has party will go for party. So things are happening. It's where you went and who you met. You understand? That is the system in abroad. So that is the system that those people back home cannot live this type of life we live here. We are very much organized, and we are also living life because life can be saved here, and we manage our resources, and we are disciplined, and we are well focused compared to those ones at home that are lazy. I cannot even stand before their politicians, tell them what they should do and what right they should do. They cannot do it at home. And that is why you see that things are very, very bizarre. Everybody's going crazy. Everybody's misbehaving in Nigeria. I must tell you, people are misbehaving. They don't do what is right, and they don't even know what is right. Like you said, they don't know, and they wouldn't know until you come out and see that this is a way to live life. How can your politician don't know that they should fix safety? Safety is one of the first things they should do. There are no infrastructure. Look, everywhere. If I show you abroad, you bow down. Even though you may think that, okay, these guys, they go from work to home. Yeah. What do you want me to go after work? When I'm tired from work, sitting down or doing one or two, then I will come and start moving up and down, looking for who to go and visit or to go and shop nkwobi. Many of them have a prostituted stomach and they are sick. That's why in Nigeria, when you're sick, you die instantly. They don't even know what you are sick of. You get what I'm saying? I stop here because I just want to rephrase on what Very Dark Man was saying. I stop here. See you some other time. Thank you.